Good morning, friend. Today we shall discuss on the topic of importance of English. If you are new in this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. And also try to watch this video till end without skip. Now I am going to start the session. Topic is importance of English. As you know that English is very necessary in our daily life. English also plays an important role in our daily life. Without English, we cannot expect honorable and success in our life. English is necessary for every sector. If you have good knowledge in English, you can easily get job in every sector and your opportunity will increase in every sector. Now we shall discuss importance of English point by point. First point is increase job opportunity. It means if you have good knowledge in English, your job opportunity will automatically increase and you can easily get job in every sector and company will always invite you and they will give you better respect to you and your job opportunity will increase by your English spoken skills. And second point is improved communication. Improved communication means if your English communication skill is better, then you can get easily job in school, colleges or in any sector. And you will not face any type of problem and difficulty to get job. If we talk about importance of English, English is very necessary for every sector for to get honorable and respected value, face value. Next point is enhanced travel experience. It means if you have good knowledge of English, then you can easily enhance travel experience. Enhance means increase your travel experience. When you will go abroad country, then you can get more experience from your English speaking skill. If you have English speaking skill, then you can easily understand the culture of abroad country and you can easily understand the way of living and you can easily understand their language and you can easily convince them according to your skill. Fourth point is access to a wealth of information. As you know that we are living in the age of internet. If you have good knowledge of English, then you can easily understand any information which were provided by television and we can easily understand it and follow them in our life according to the information which were provided by internet. And fifth one is improve educational opportunity. Speaking skill also help in educational opportunity. If you have good knowledge in speaking skill and writing skill, you can also get easily job in various sector, just like in school, colleges, in business, or etc, or in various field. You can easily survive if you have good speaking skill. Sixth one is better entertainment. If you have good knowledge of English, then you can easily better entertainment which were provided by internet or other source of you can say that Google, or you can also say that the knowledge which we get from social media and or many sources, we can easily entertain us in a easy way. Next point is greater culture understanding. It also helps in to understand the culture of abroad country, and you can also understand their language, and you can also convince them according in their language. You can also help in to share your internal feeling among another people. And eighth one is improve cognitive development. Means if you have good knowledge, then you can enjoy in your life in every sector, and your face value will different among the people, and you can also increase your promotion in every sector by performing your English speaking skill. And ninth one is increase confidence. If you have good knowledge of English, and then you can speak English with very confidence in the crowd or in front of other people. Without any hesitation, you can speak English, and you can win the heart of other people by showing your good performance of speaking skill. And last one is a valuable life skill. If you have good knowledge, then you can easily get every opportunity in your life, because English is very necessary for every sector. If you have no knowledge of English, then you cannot expect good job in your future. That's why English is very valuable life skill. If you have speaking skill, then you will never wandering here and there just like other people. You will easily get job in every sector. This skill will always help you whole life. It will never become useless in your life. So overall, we will see that English is very necessary for every sector. So we always try to learn and acquire more and more to speaking skill and writing skill. If you have both skill, then you will easily able to go abroad country and easily able to understand abroad country culture and or many things you can understand easily. And you can also talk with other people in easy way. So I will only tell you one thing: you should always try to acquire more and more English knowledge, speaking skill. If you will require more speaking English, it will be beneficial for you, not only for you, for everyone. So try to share this video more and more. And if you want to such type of valuable information and valuable knowledge, then you can subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.